Here's a 2020 Lexus LS. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, streaming audio, dual zone climate control, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and twin turbo V6 engine. Lexus, a lifestyle that leaves a lasting impression. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today. Call us today at 754-220-1690.